Ngesizini yokuqala ingene kwi-Premiership, iSekhukhune United iyayiphokophele ekuhlaleni ebholeni elikhokhelwayo, kepha njengoba isicijwa nguTembo nje inhloso isijikile.
The team is ready. We have assembled a very good team. We want to see ourselves finishing in the top 8 position. That's the mandate, in fact, from our chairman and the CEO.
iSekhukhune icica abadlali abayishumi nantathu kule sizini.
Look, it is achievable because if I look back, I think last season we were probably 7 points, just below the top 8. So the challenge is to try and bridge that gap. But we need to take it one game at a time. That's very important.
Kulabadlali abasha khona umgadlo bafana uVictor Letswalo, Linda Mtambo noTsehofazo Mabasa ababedlalela iPirates kanye noDaniel Cardoso obuya kwiKaizer Chiefs.
I'm glad they came to Iphokophele because they are from home. Yeah, so I was very humbled that they came and then they got my service.
Leli qembu selithuthele ePolokwane kanti selizosebenzisa iPeter Mokaba Stadium njengenkundla yalo yasekhaya. Emidlalweni wabo ukuvula isizini bazobhekana neMaritzburg United ngomgqibelo kuSihlo.